All right, this is for Nat Turner's Slave Rebellion. He was a slave who tried to lead a rebellion to get rid of slavery. Southern fears. Abolitionists were far from silenced by the refusal of Congress to debate slavery. They continued to attack slavery in books, in newspapers, and at public meetings. White Southerners deeply resented the abolitionist attack on an assault on their way of life. After Nat Turner's Slave Rebellion in 1831, resentment turned to fear. Southern states adopted strict new laws to control the movement of slaves. Many states tried to keep abolitionist writings from reaching slaves. Mississippi even offered a reward of $5,000 for the arrest and conviction of any person who shall utter, publish, or circulate abolitionist ideas. Remember, abolition means to get rid of slavery. Fugitive slaves. Nat Turner's rebellion was one of the largest slave revolts, but individual slaves also continued to rebel by running away to freedom in the North. These fugitives from slavery were often helped in their escape by sympathetic people in the North. To slaveholders, these Northerners were no better than bank robbers because they saw a slave as a valuable piece of property. Every time a slave escaped, it was like seeing their land vanish into thin air. Slaveholders demanded that Congress pass a fugitive slave law to help them recapture their property.